Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Fortnite can't run. Chapter 1. How to fix error Fortnite can't run using integrated utility. To start, open File Explorer. Here you will go to the route you see on the screen. When you access there, double-click on the Easy Anti-Cheat executable. You can see that a small console opens running the fix in the background. After that, enter Epic in the search box and open Epic Games Launcher. There you can go to Fortnite. Chapter 2. How to fix error Fortnite can't run adjusting files. To get started, open File Explorer. Here you are going to go to the path that you see on the screen where the Fortnite files are. Here, right-click on the executable and select Properties. After that, go to the Compatibility tab. There you will check the boxes to run this program as an administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Click on Apply and OK. When you have done this, repeat the process of checking the same boxes for all the other 3 Fortnite executables that you see in this folder. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, right-click on the Epic Games shortcut on the desktop and choose Properties. Now under the Compatibility tab, check the boxes to run this program as an administrator and disable full-screen optimizations, then click Apply and OK. Finally, open the application and in Fortnite, click on the 3 dots and then select the Manage option. Here in Verify Files, click on Verify. You can see the process of verifying the integrity of your game files starts. Just wait for it to finish before you can play. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.